Hi, I'm Kara Sheftel with BDS, and today I'd love to show you some of the most common places where you might experience a jam on a Ricoh copier. Starting at the top in the dock feeder. The easiest way to clear a jam up here is to release this lever here, and you will see that typically the paper is sitting here. If it's not there, it has already made it through the process and it's probably sitting right here, and then you can just pull it right out. The next place where you might experience a jam is in the actual drawers. You're just going to open it and then you should be able to lift it out, see if there's anything there, and put the drawer back. Another place where you might see a jam is over here on the side. This is where the bulk of jams will be, but what's great about Ricoh Copiers is that they have clear components to help you see the paper path. There's also blue levers. If it's blue, it's for you. You can open those levers and touch them. If it's gray, stay away. That's when you want to call a certified technician or your copier vendor. The last place you might experience a jam is when it's coming over the bridge and into your finisher. For that, you're going to open here and you're going to have additional levers that you can clear jams with. For more information about clearing jams on your Ricoh copier, you can reach us at bdsdoc.com, or you can simply like and follow this channel.